What if I told you you're missing out on a little known credit union that no one's talking about? Look, if you're tired of banks offering you $5,000 limits, you need to see this video. We found a credit union that is handing out $50,000 in personal loans.
Oh my God. Wait, Marvin, did you say $50,000 in unsecured money?
Yes, $50,000. And look, guys,
Wow.
No collateral, but Gloria, it gets better. They offer $50,000 personal lines of credit, high limit credit cards, and even if you wanted a boat loan, they go out to 15 years. And
Wow.
Here's the secret sauce, guys.
Okay, what's the secret sauce, Marvin? Let's share with the money magnets.
All right, so for you credit nerds, I'm gonna get this out of the way. They pull Experian
Okay.
for all of you guys in the comments, and make sure you hang around for the backdoor association that nobody's talking about.
Okay, we're talking about Experian, Marvin.
Yes,
Everybody usually pull TransUnion for the big money.
right.
This is a game changer for everyone with high experience scores.
Exactly. Today we're breaking down Kinecta Credit Union. We're showing you how to join even if you don't live near a branch, how to get their massive 84-month auto loans, and the exact roadmap to get $50,000 in funding.
Okay, money magnets, let's get to the bag. Share this video with someone that may need it.
All right, guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Marvin, and this is Gloria Smith, better known as Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Okay, and we teach you the credit secrets the banks don't want you to know about.
Exactly. And if you want to stop getting denied and start getting approved, do us a favor right now. Smash the like button so YouTube knows this is valuable content that everybody needs to hear.
And comment the word ready down below if you're ready to fix your credit profile and get funding this year. Put ready in the comments right now, money magnets.
Yes.
Okay, first thing first. Kinecta is huge.
Yeah.
They have over 270,000 members and 6.6 billion in assets. But usually people think, Marvin, I don't live in California.
Right.
I can't join.
Right.
That's what I thought. Isn't this just for people in Manhattan Beach?
Not anymore, Gloria. We found the back door that nobody knows about. If you don't live in the area or work for a specific employer, you can join by becoming a member of the Innovision Society. Guys, write that down. Innovision Society.
Innovision Society. Marvin, is that expensive?
No, not at all. It's practically free compared to the funding that you can get. It's usually a small donation, sometimes as low as $10. Once you join that association, you're eligible for a Kinecta membership immediately, guys.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
So you pay $10 and you unlock access to a $50,000 loan.
Yes.
That is a ROI I like the cash.
Exactly. You join online, you select Innovision Society as your eligibility, fund your savings account with $5, and guess what? You're in. I would also think about maybe opening up a checking account and putting about $50 to $100 in there as well.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about the meat and potatoes.
Right.
You mentioned a $50,000. Let's break this down for the money magnets.
Kinecta is really aggressive, Gloria. They offer personal loans up to $100,000, but remember, you're gonna need a 700 credit score and Experian to get the max amount of funding. If you need help, look in the description below with your credit score.
Okay, now that's a fixed rate and a fixed term.
Yeah.
Okay, let me give you guys a pro tip. Pay half of your note twice a month to defeat all the interest that you could be paying.
Yep.
This works.
It does. And the good part, it's a fixed rate.
Okay.
No collateral. You can use this for debt consolidation, home improvement, or funding your business, which a lot of people may need to do.
Okay, but wait, Marvin. You also said something about a line of credit.
Yes, you know what? That makes them special. They also offer a personal line of credit up to $50,000. And guess what? The monthly payment can be less than a loan. And for those of you who are frustrated with getting business credit cards with low limits like $3,000, this could be another option.
Okay, Marvin, hold up. So let's explain the difference to the money magnets that are watching.
All right, a personal loan gives you all the cash at once.
Okay.
A line of credit is like a credit card. You only pay interest on what you use. Having access to $50,000 line is like having a safety net of cash available 24/7. So guys, make sure you know the difference before you apply. And I would also make sure I got my pay stubs available as well.
Exactly. And since they pull Experian money magnets, if your Experian report is your strongest one, you have a much better shot here than at Navy Federal, which pulls TransUnion.
100%.
Marvin, this sounds too good to be true.
Yeah.
Do I need perfect credit?
Not really.
You don't need perfect credit money magnets, but you do need a clean credit report.
Right.
No recent late payments. For the best results, have at least a 700 credit score on your Experian report.
And guys, if you're loving this data, share this video with a business partner right now. Don't gatekeep this info. Look, now Gloria, let's slow down for a minute.
Okay.
Let's talk about the toys for some of the people that can use this for marketing in their business. I'm not saying get it to play around in. Use this to market in your business. A lot of people want a nice car, but the payments might be actually killing them right now, or they can't afford it.
Most definitely. So most credit unions offer 60-month terms, which makes your monthly payment a little bit on the high side.
Exactly. Kinecta offers auto loans up to 84 months,
That's nice.
which helps a lot with your monthly cash flow.
You're talking 7 years?
Right.
That drops the payment significantly, Marvin.
It does, but here's the crazy one. They also have boat loans. Look, put it in the comments. Who lives near the water right now? Put that in the chat, guys.
I do. We're buying a yacht, Marvin. We live in Florida right now by the water, so I am so ready for it.
All right, I guess. I don't know. We'll talk about it. Look, they offer boat loans with terms up to 180 months. Gloria, that's 15 years.
15 years. That's like a mortgage for a boat. That makes a luxury boat actually affordable, money magnets. You can use this for networking for your business.
Right.
Ain't that right, Marvin?
Yeah, you can. I mean, I know people down here in Miami right now who are having monthly networking on their boat. Now, getting approved for these big limits isn't just about applying. It's how your credit profile looks before you click the submit button.
That's right. And I'm going to keep softening you up for that boat, just like I did for that car. But money magnets, keep in mind, if your utilization is high or your report is messy,
right,
you will get denied. So don't think you can just walk in here and get this 50,000 or go in and get a boat and you have messy credit.
Exactly. I would make sure I got a 700 credit score on Experian and less than 3 inquiries in the last 6 months.
Correct.
And don't forget about your check systems. Don't apply for a bunch of credit unions all at once. Now, if you're a business owner, you may want us to take a look at your situation and help you build a roadmap to get 50, 100,000, or even $250,000 in funding.
Yes.
Look, we've opened up a few slots and we'll offer a free business strategy call. The link is in the description for you to book a call, and let's see who really wants to scale in 2026.
Okay, Marvin, we got the cash. We got the car.
Right.
We got the boat. What about the house? Let's talk about the house.
Yeah, Kinecta is very strong on mortgages.
Okay.
They have first-time home buyer programs that requires as little as 3% down. That's pretty low.
That is really low. We're talking 3%. That is huge for people trying to get into the market who is ready to buy a home that, you know, you could be a first-time home buyer.
Right. And if you guys are ready, look. Put it in the chat. I want to really know who's interested and what kind of content you guys really want to hear. And for the people who already own a home, they offer home equity lines of credit. Now, you can tap into your equity to buy more real estate or invest in your business, one of the two. You know what I mean?
And keep in mind, again, they are looking at your Experian credit report for their credit decisions. But when we're talking about purchasing a home, keep in mind, money magnets, they're going to pull all 3 bureaus.
Exactly. On the personal products, it's predominantly Experian FICO 8 or FICO 9 for the personal products. Look, on real estate, just like Gloria said, I would make sure Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian are all over 700 so you can get the best rates. Because when you're buying a home, that's a long-term decision.
Okay, we don't talk about the mortgage, the cars, and the loans. But Marvin, I have a quick question.
Right.
On the credit cards, do they have good credit cards?
Yeah, they do. They have a cashback Visa signature.
Okay.
It's actually solid. It's 1.5% cash back on everything. It's not the highest in the world, but it's a great relationship starter to get you in the door for the big loans later.
Okay, so let's talk strategy here. Okay, so you want to join via Innovision. Maybe get the credit card first,
right,
to build the relationship. You know, we talk about relationship, money magnets, and then go for the $50,000 personal loan after about 90 days.
Exactly, guys. Don't rush it. Don't look desperate. A lot of people get denied because they join today, apply tomorrow. What you want to do is build trust, then ask for the big bag.
Wow, Marvin, Kinecta is definitely a sleeper. Y'all better wake up, money magnets, and get to this bag.
For sure. But listen, guys, once you get that $50,000, you need to know how to use that money and make sure that money makes you money. We're just not trying to tell you guys how to get in debt. We're trying to tell you guys how to get high limits to turn around and leverage that money.
Okay, hold up, because I have a gem.
What you got, Glove?
Okay, money magnets, to get the best rates, you need a 700 credit score.
Yeah.
We did a full video breaking down how to get 5 business credit cards that give you high limits. So check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.